This is the Old Neighborhood Video Cookbook. From the production team who brought you Old Neighborhood Cooking, this is a program that brings you recipes, techniques, and tips for recreating those old neighborhood classics. From the pizza and rib joints to the taverns and diners, from the white tablecloth supper clubs to family kitchens. This is genuine comfort food. This is the Old Neighborhood Video Cookbook.
Wake up! Is that the only way to get through to you? Do what they all do? Bust like a hot water balloon?
Doc, what's...